Hi, this is Pam at Flower Patch Farmhouse, and today I am going to clean our outdoor patio rug, and we're going to use our power washer and my cleaning spray that I use for just about everything. I'll include a link in the description box for that, and we'll show you how great this filthy old rug turns out. So as you notice, he's spraying one direction back and forth, and then he'll do up and down, and that's because the fibers go both directions, both the warp and the weft, and then you get all the dirt out. First he sprayed it again with the cleansing spray, and it won't leave too much suds. You don't want a detergent or a lot of soap in this because you won't be able to get it all out, and it will cause it to get dirty faster again because any soap left in it will attract dirt and make it adhere to the rug. So I'm hoping you can see in the camera that there's one half. Let me point to it. That half over there hasn't been cleaned yet, and this half over here has. And we power washed half of it, let it dry so I can show you the comparison between the dirty half and the clean half. And now I'm going to proceed and clean the dirty half. I'd say it took maybe an hour for it to dry in the sun, and it was about 80 degrees today. So not too bad, and it did a beautiful job of spiffing it up.